Hiya, the Saoirse again. As promised, we're inside the Canterbury Cathedral. This is the place where Thomas Becket was assassinated by the three knights. This is a modern sculpture. The four knights. It represents the four knights that killed him. So you have the T swords and the shadow swords. So it's a really neat sculpture, even though it's modern. And so after his body was taken down that way into the crypt and was laid there, you can't photograph inside there. So that's why we're up here. So yeah, go ahead. So this is the door that the knights came in. So they came in this way and snuck in and killed them right there. So later, when Henry II was in penance for it, he also came in this way on his hands and knees and went down into the crypt. And the monks beat him down there for the penance. And so his body, the body of Thomas Becket, was laid out there between the two pillars. So anyway, Canterbury Cathedral is really huge, and you can actually spend quite a few hours on here. If you want to go through the whole thing, you should at least give yourself a day. It's a working church, so there's still prayers and services that go on, so be aware of that. And down in the crypt, you can't take pictures. Up here where the bodies are, a lot of them, Edward, the Black Prince, Edward, is buried up there, and his shield and his, it's not the doublet, it's the, whatever that thing's called, it's up there too. And so the original one is down here in the crypt in a case, but the replicas are up there above his tomb. And so those are some good things to see here. I was surprised really how huge it really is, because I've been to a lot of cathedrals in Europe, so I was surprised how big this one was. It's really nice. So it's worth a visit to Canterbury. Also, there's a lot of museums around. So there you go. So Shinigafall as Canterbury and County Kent. Slán